Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today two unboxing videos. One is from Charvin in Paris. This was the big water palettes which I bought before. And now you can see that I bought a small watercolor palette. The big one was really great because there's a lot of space in the middle. And this is the travel edition with 16 half pens. And it came with a small travel brush. Shipping is really fast. I had it already the next working day. And with 8 extra health pens, I have now a little painting palette, but with 24 health pens instead of having to carry around a bigger one. And it's the reason why I bought it. And the unboxing of Just Go Sketching. A little thank you card. I hope you enjoy using it. And yes, I enjoy using it. This is as great as the sketching bag. It's the sketching companion. But you will see it better later on in this video. And here we are, the sketching bag with straps on the side. So excited. It's lightweight, it's cute, and this is the A5 size edition. You'll have different colors and sizes. In this little leaflet he is explaining how to use the little easel, and you can also buy paints from him. A little cloth, and as a present a little health pen paint. Thank you so much, Ian. And 2 clips for the easel to put it on the sketchbook. And it also came with little metal strips, so in case you have a plastic palette you can still use it. A little water cup on the side and the pen holder, but he already puts this pencil inside. And there is an adjustable rope inside, and it prevents you that the bag falls open and everything falls out. The adjustable cord is a very smart idea. And the metal palette fits perfectly on the easel. This is a homemade sketchbook and it was quite a hassle to put it flat. But I made it and the sketchbook survived it, as you can see. And now I have set up a full workspace in front of me. And it's really secure. I'm not afraid that the palette falls off or something. And this plastic palette, I want to use it for my gouache. And I put the metal strips under, like so. By the way, the paints from Charvin Arts are not cooked but dried naturally, and they are very creamy.
Is het heel erg mooi? Bonjour, Thomas. Ja, bonjour, Patrick. Ja, bonjour, Thomas. Ja, bonjour, Patrick. Ja, bonjour.
And as it's easy to set up the whole thing, it's also easy to put everything back.
Mais c'est ça, je suis sûre que tu vas. Regarde, regarde. Regarde, regarde. Helemaal.